stock market, in the following of all the election craziness and the predictions that this is going to go up and this is going to crash, and like realistically, what can I expect to see happen from the stock market in 2017?
People are very wrapped up in the story we've been told about what to expect from a Trump presidency next year. What I would say is that even if he gets going right off the bat, these policies aren't going to take effect until the second half of 2017, best case. So it feels like we have some runway to an extent to figure out what these policies are, what's going to be in place, and what the impact is going to be on average Americans.
If the incoming administration gets into a trade war with China, what will our economy be like?
So if we find ourselves in a trade war with China, I think what's important to remember is we import a lot from China. We don't export a lot to China. So if we see tariffs begin to rise, it feels like it's going to hurt their economy much more than it's going to hurt ours. I mean, could we see prices of imported goods go up? Absolutely. But there are still cheaper options that will be available that consumers could simply transition to.
I have a little bit of money in the stock market. Should I keep it in there or should I take it out?
We're big believers that it's not about timing the market, determining when you're going to get in and then get out, but it's more about time in the market. Because over long periods of time, there are certain forces that can work for you and help you grow your money. Compounding is one that comes to mind. Albert Einstein said compounding is the most powerful force in the universe. Our view is that the best time to get invested is today, and the best way to stay invested is for the long run.
I would like to know if the stock market is the way to go, or is a startup business better for a guy at my level?
So the decision to start a small business or invest in the stock market is an interesting one. Both of them could be very exciting, and both of them have their inherent risks. There are over 28 million small businesses in the United States, and that is the essence of the United States being capitalism. So if you follow your passion, starting a business may be an exciting endeavor, but don't forget about the risks involved.
I guess the question I do have is, for a young person starting out, where is the best place to put your money?
So for individuals who are just starting out, what's critically important is to try to keep your debt levels as low as possible. Try to live within your means, not outside of your means in terms of building up credit card balances. Try to balance your day-to-day savings with your day-to-day spending. That is key in terms of your overall financial health.